Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna head out to A1 Muffler to get his muffler on, welded on, take out his cats and all that. So we'll see how it sounds. Oh,
static check.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah,
let's go. Oh yeah, and I took mine for A1 to get my muffler on too. And it just sounds nice and it looks good. What's up for like underneath? One of the pipes were just hanging way too low, but it's whatever. This car is so quiet now. I'm used to hearing it like a Subi rumble, like it's gone. But I'm gonna go ahead and go. It's kind of hard filming while you have to shift. But it's like only 7 minutes, so it won't be that bad. I'm just standing here eating. Oh shit, why am I focusing? Oh shit. Oh shit. Better get the exhaust on. I don't know what they're talking about, but you guys will see it in a bit. God.
When I put the NVIDIA, Subaru sounds so much better with Canons on it. I don't like the quad tip stuff unless.
Shit's smoking. clean. Where you can see the blue off his bumper. Bro, that's clean. Bro, I like that Christmas tree too. Man, Subi Rumble. Oh, fuck, I got shit. That's pretty much it for this video though. Just wanted to see, show them how, oh shit. Show how